Welcome to Johan on set, and today we're reviewing a foot massager from Cloud Massage. So stay tuned. All right, so we got a foot and calf massager with heat. So what's in it? Let's find out. Right, it's just a Cloud Massage right there. I have to find out what this is. It's a warranty certificate. All right. So, not sure if you guys can see that, but okay, put that away. Make sure there's no money in there. And it's just a letter, just thanking us for buying this Cloud Massage. Okay, let me put that away. Now let's take a look. All right, so put that away. Ooh, that looks pretty. Kind of heavy. So let's remove the paper of this bag of canvas. Nice and shiny. Okay. Put that on the side. And make sure there's nothing in it. There's nothing else in it. Oh, that's pretty empty. There you go. So, I'm sure you can see there, I'm doing this on the floor. There is the AC power adapter with some instructions and how to, I'm guessing. Yep, there's a quick start guide. Okay, so just let you know where things are. So we're gonna use that later. Let's open this up. All right, so this is it. So, and you can actually find this type of adapter anywhere. This is a output 24 volt output, 2.5A. Input is 100 to 40, which is the regular here for US. And this is a regular cable. So I'm just trying to get this down. Okay. And just plug that in. I'm gonna connect that. Just make sure that everything looks nice, nice and comfortable. I see some, yeah. So this here, let me see, it has a lock here. So it says release. Push up. Oh, I can't. I'm not sure if I don't want to break it. Oh, there you go. It's like if you need to carry it to any place, you can just grab it here. Is the handle, and then so this is the button that I was referring to. So I just need to push this thing down. But there you go. So there you go. It became a lot easier now. If I want to bring it to the other side, I just push down, boom, push up. And it has like more than one that you can just go all the way to the other side too. And you can bring it all the way back. All right, so I'm gonna give this a try. And of course, my wife is going to give it a try. My daughter's going to give it a try. Gabriel is going to give it a try. So everyone here is going to give it a try to see how these things work and how good it is. And let me just flip this thing here. There's nothing at the bottom, nothing. This is rubber right here. So this is so it doesn't move if you have it on the floor. So that's just nice. Again, so as for the buttons, Let me see if I can show you this here. All right, so these are the buttons that it comes with, and I can tell you what they are just by looking at this guide. And then there's also some operation instructions that you can find in here. So it tells you how everything works. So the first one is we have the power button right on top. Depending on where you use it, but right here, that's the power button. Then we have the modes. It has the different massage styles, rollers, and pressure on and off. Then right above that, we have the intensity button or pressure, which is this thing on the side, right here. So that's how much pressure you can put, depending on how much you like that one. And also the vibration button is this one right here. And last but not least is the heat button. So this is the one for the heat. So that's probably something you might want to have it at all time. And right on the side, there are a couple of things here. Let me just set this up here. So you can see here. So that's where you plug that in. And this arm, this is just the adjustable arm. So this is just a handle to move the device wherever you need it. So that is pretty much it when it comes to what it does. When it comes to how good it is, because there are different kind, then that's something that I'll tell you later on after I try. But as right now, just wanted to let you know what we got, and so it looks good. It looks nice and stable, and seems durable too. I mean, the material seems to be really nice. So yeah. So again, this is the. Let me see that the brand is Cloud Massage. Again, it's Cloud Massage for the brand, and is the foot and calf massagers with heat. So I'm gonna give it a shot. I'll let you know how it goes. All right. So after paying thousands and thousands of dollars to get a model here to have this presentation going, we finally found one. She wasn't cheap, that I can tell you. So let's turn this thing on. As you can see, as soon as you plug this the cable in the AC power cord, this light is going to start flashing. So that is a power light. So we're going to turn it on right away. And all right, so started doing something there. So the first thing that we're going to try, we're going to use the mode. So this is the first mode here, and this is the intensity. I think Senya is going crazy with this massage. So now we're gonna press the heat here. Actually, let me take a look. All right, so yeah, so that's the let's go with the heat bind, which is the one right on top. Yeah, it seems it's really it seems like I apparently need to buy this because Zenia loves it. So thumbs up, Zenia. I mean, so far so good. All right. Yeah, you can actually hear the these bags on the side deflating and then they're going back in. So it's just for the pressure, the intensity. So that's actually really good. Yes, it seems like, as you can notice here, so the more air it gets, you know, the tighter you get. So let's change the mode. And then we're gonna change that intensity. We're gonna do up. Okay, Sandy saying not. I think the level where she had it was good enough. So from 1 to 10, Sanya, so far, I mean, this is just a few minutes, well, a few seconds. But from 1 to 10 so far, how much you like it?
8.
8. All right, well, that's not bad. 8 is good. So we're gonna change the mode one more time, right? And we're gonna lower down the intensity so Sanya feel a lot more comfortable. And also the vibration bind. Let me remove that. Okay. There we go. We're still gonna leave the heat on. Let's make sure the light is on for the heat. Whenever you're using that, if you do have some problems with your foot, then I definitely recommend to maybe have the heat enabled at all time. Alright, so that is just a regular massage at the bottom, and then no vibration at this point. Okay. Is that better or is that, yeah? So how much will you give that one from 1 to 10?
10.
10, whoa. Sounds like this is a good. All right, well, there you have it. Again, Sanya just gave it a 10. We're really recommending this one. I'm gonna try myself. I haven't tried it yet. But I'm definitely going to give it a shot, and then I'll let you know how it goes. In the meantime, feel free to go to my Instagram and also my Twitter account, Johan on Set, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and give it a big like, and make sure those notifications are on YouTube, just so you can receive or be notified whenever new content is available. There you go. That's pretty good. I'm gonna give another, bring a little bit more, and just enable that vibration too again. There you go. That's pretty awesome there. Alright, so by reading the instructions and some of the features that it comes with, it also states that you can use it for your cabs. So let's give that a shot. I haven't tried, my wife hasn't tried it yet, so this is the first time we're going to try to do this. So we're going to turn it off first. Alright, so we're going to have to move this thing around. So let me just remove this out of the way. If you can remove feet. Thank you. And let's see if we're gonna do it like this. And you put it all the way down. Okay. Yeah, so maybe put your feet inside. There you go. Put the other on the inside too. All right. And okay. Right there. And if you want to, this thing is already locked there. So that is already locked in place. So if you want to move it up or down, that's up to you. But that is already locked. So we're going to turn that on. All right. And on this one, we're going to leave the same settings that we had before. And let's see how that goes. Okay, we're gonna move a little bit more. All right, so we're gonna go with the first one here. And we, yep, so the bags are inflating right now. So that is what's gonna help you pretty much get the full of the whole massage experience. How's that going, Sonia? Good. Okay. All right, we're gonna get that a little bit higher. And everything is on right now. The heat is on, everything is on at this point. So if you are looking for something like this, maybe help you relax, maybe from coming from work, and you need some type of massage on your feet, and this might be something that you might be looking into to buy, then we got this one from Amazon, and the price of this was, so the tag price was $299, $300. All right, what an amazing product. So I end up using and testing the product as well, and I must tell you, if you take a listen, this thing is something else. So it was amazing, the whole thing, you know, from the beginning to the end. My wife also loved it. My kids, you know, loved it too. So again, the only thing, the downside of it, and again, is not much. It's just the handle. When you try to, you know, unlock it or lock it, unlock it is a little bit tricky. But again, you just need to find that, you know, the right spot to do it. But besides that, I loved it. Again, I'm giving it a 9, and then because of the handle, I'm deducting that point there. So again, if you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe, and share with some other people you might know. And again, I will be leaving the link below if you want to buy this product. And also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and also on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Until the next video.